Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Fenix 7 Solar. First, let's get acquainted with its intuitive design. You'll find 5 physical buttons around the bezel, each with a distinct function, complementing the responsive touchscreen. To power it on, simply press and hold the top left button. Navigating through menus and widgets is straightforward, allowing you to quickly access your daily stats, notifications, and activity profiles with just a few taps or button presses. This foundational understanding will set you up for success. A standout feature of your Fenix 7 Solar is its impressive solar charging capability. The Power Glass lens continuously converts sunlight into battery life, significantly extending your adventures. You can monitor your solar intensity directly on the watch face, seeing how much power you're gaining. For optimal charging, aim for at least 3 hours of direct sunlight exposure daily, especially when not actively using GPS. This innovative technology can add several days, or even weeks, to your battery life depending on usage and sun exposure. Your Fenix 7 Solar is an exceptional companion for tracking a wide array of activities. To start, simply press the top right button, select your desired sport, and hit Start. It boasts multi-band GPS technology, providing superior location accuracy, even in challenging environments like dense forests or urban canyons. After your workout, review detailed metrics such as distance, pace, heart rate, and elevation directly on the watch or through the Garmin Connect app. This comprehensive data helps you understand and improve your performance. Beyond fitness, your Fenix 7 Solar offers a suite of smart features to enhance your daily life. Pair it with your smartphone to receive calls, texts, and app alerts right on your wrist. Customization is key. Personalize your watch face, data fields, and activity profiles to suit your preferences. You can also enjoy convenient features like Garmin Pay for contactless payments and store hundreds of songs directly on the device for phone-free listening during your workouts. It truly integrates seamlessly into your lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.